Standing by for launch command. T-minus 1 minute.
Roger that, ground control. Main engines are go.
Kindergarten, are you ready?
We are having our rocket day at Baldwin Elementary. Our students have spent the last week building rockets, all grade levels, kindergarten through 5th, and they are super excited to try them out. We have 4 astronauts. Anybody know what we put inside the rockets?
You put this and this, and this and this.
And do you know what's gonna happen?
The rocket ship just explode.
And back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You see it?
You want to go to space? Okay, let's learn how. Just getting them interested in science is our biggest motivator as STEM and computer science teachers.